In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix SHEIN Wallet not working. This is going to be a different video from everything you've seen because we're going to be diagnosing the problem and then trying to solve it. So the first thing we're going to do is basic check. Simply go ahead and check if it is your internet connection. Try toggling between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi. Always make sure that VPN is off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. Simply go ahead and open your SHEIN application, head to the Me tab, and then try logging out of your account right over here, and then simply go ahead and try to log back in, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, there might be a potential update that is interfering. Simply go ahead and search for SHEIN on your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using. And if there is any updates available, there's going to be an update button. Simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the app if none of it works. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.